Good morning. This is the video for Maths 12th student for Science and Commerce to both the student. In this video, we are going to see the example based on mathematical logic. Here, we stating some statements and we want to judge the truth values of these statements. Okay, we want to see the truth values of the given statement. Here, the first example is 4 is odd or 1 is prime. This is the compound statement. We want to first of all split this compound statement into two simple statements, and first of all we want to check the truth value of P and Q separately, and we want to write its a symbolic form and put that values and check whether its a truth value is true or false. Okay, let me see like this. Let P is nothing but the first statement, 4 is odd, and Q is nothing but the second statement, 1 is prime. We all know that 4 is not a odd number, it is an even number, therefore its a truth value is false. Similarly, 1 is prime. We know that prime numbers are started from 2, therefore 1 is not a prime number, therefore again its a truth value is false. Here the connectivity is used as or, means it is of the disjunction kind, therefore I am writing its a symbolic form as P or Q. Okay, it is nothing but it's a symbolic form. Now put the value of write the truth statement of P is nothing but a false statement, therefore put P as a F and or keeping as is Q is again F or F. This is nothing but the disjunction, and we know that in disjunction if one of the statement is true, then and then only its a statement is true. If both are false, then its truth value is false. Therefore, F or F is nothing but F. Okay, getting everyone? Let me see the second example. It is not true that 5u minus 3i is a real number. In this statement, it is the only single statement here. Therefore, we want to take only one statement. Let me write P as 5u minus 3i is a real number. 5u minus 3i is a real number. Yes, you can see in the compound statement a not, a negation is used here. Therefore, negation of P is what? It is not true that 5u minus 3i is a real number. Therefore, write negation of P. It is not true that 5u minus 3i is a real number. Okay, we know that 5u minus 3i means it is of the kind a plus ib, means this is not a real number, this is what? This is a complex number. Therefore, truth value of the statement P is nothing but false. And we know that the symbolic form of the given statement is nothing but, its a symbolic form is what? Negation of P. Means if P is true, then the truth value of this given statement is false. If P is false, then the truth value of the given statement is true. Therefore, negation of P is what? P is nothing but false. Therefore, negation of F is nothing but true. Therefore, the truth value of the second example is true. The next one. 16 is an even number and 8 is a perfect square. Okay. Similarly, you can write P as, let P as 16 is an even number. Q 8 is a perfect square. Okay, 16 is an even number. Yes, it is a multiple of 2. Therefore, the truth value of the statement P is nothing but true. The second one, 8 is a perfect square. Yes, we know that 8 is not a perfect square. Therefore, the truth value of Q is nothing but false. Here, the connectivity used in this compound statement is nothing but and. Means, if one of them, if both are true, then and then only the truth value of this statement is true. Otherwise, it is false. Therefore, it's a symbolic form. First of all, let me write it's a symbolic form. Yes. 16 is an even number, means the statement P Here connectivity is used as and, therefore P and Q. Okay, the truth value of P is nothing but T. Let me put T and Q is what? False. Okay, T and F. We know that in conjunction, if both the statements are true, then and then only its a truth value is true. If one of them is false, then its a truth value is false. Therefore, it becomes false. Let me see the last example. A quadratic equation has two distinct roots, or 6 has 3 prime factors. First of all, let me separate these two sentences or these two statements. P as a quadratic equation has two distinct roots. Q, the second statement, 6 has 3 prime factors. See, we are separating these two statements. Whatever may be the statement coming before this connectivity, we are taking that statement as the first statement. Whatever may be the statement coming after the connectivity, we are taking it as a second statement. Now, first of all, we want to write it's a symbolic form. Yes, connectivity used in this compound statement is nothing but or, means it is of the disjunction kind, P or Q. Okay, now we want to check the truth value of P and Q. Here, the P is nothing but a quadratic equation has two distinct roots. We know that a quadratic equation may have a equal roots, may have a distinct roots. Therefore, it is not true that every time it possesses distinct roots. Therefore, its a truth value is nothing but false. Again, 6 has 3 prime factors. We know that the factors of 6 are nothing but 2, 3 and 6. Here 2 and 3 both are prime factor, but 6 itself it is not a prime factor. Therefore, it possesses only 2 prime factors, not 3. Therefore, its a truth value is again false. Put these two values here, false or false. We know that in disjunction, if one of them is true, then and then only its a truth value is true. If both are false, then its a truth value is false. Therefore, the truth value of this fourth example is again false. Thank you.